aircraft at the moment. We're just about to pass the Kaikoura Peninsula. You're looking out on the seaward end inland Kaikoura ranges at the moment. We'll be starting a descent for Christchurch shortly. We were running just a couple of minutes behind schedule. I'm pleased to say we'll catch up. Most of that time we should have you outside the terminal building. A bit of mist around the airport and a few patches of cloud over the city. I'd like to thank you for travelling with us this morning on this very quick trip through to Christchurch on behalf of your captain.
This is a very cozy little motel that I'm staying in Christchurch. Really love the old cottage chateau look. And it's right opposite the botanical gardens. I'm just going to take a walk to the botanical gardens. And this is just the one end of the botanical gardens. And obviously winter now in New Zealand, so you're not going to get that lush green trees at the moment. And this is such a beautiful park. It's so big, it's so massive. People are jogging, riding their bikes. It's a lovely, lovely recreational center, and you don't have this in Wellington. You just don't. Oh, good. I have not seen this plant before in Wellington, I must say. And that's where we are at the moment. It's a beautiful chateau, I must say. And the rain is starting to kick in, so we're not going to walk too much in the park because we're still here, and came on business. It's a business trip, so I'm just waiting for some things to be taken care of, and we will head to Westfield Shopping Centre, and it's one of the biggest shopping centres here in the southern region, bigger than Wellington's Westfield. We'll be staying here tonight, and then just across the road I'll be staying at the DoubleTree, and I think we should be able to finish what we needed to do in 2 days, because we've got a lot of sightseeing to do. It's a beautiful garden setting. Planning to come for dinner here tonight, so we'll check the restaurant out. Wow, that's what you get for being in Christchurch. Isn't that beautiful? It's got its own little pool. A bit of a renovation going on too. Beautiful. They've got these little oh, it's very authentic. It's all handmade. That is very cute, isn't it? Driftwood. Oh wow, that's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's got its own jungle setting out here in the... Oh, Christchurch is such a treat, I must say. And the design of this building is like an old English chateau. So, I mean, Christchurch is very known as Little England, and it still hasn't lost its charm, I must say, of that Little England look. Old cottages and chateau-style buildings. Winston Churchill designs everywhere. Beautiful plants. I really like this entrance going on here. Very Anglo-Saxon. It is very Anglo-Saxon, isn't it? I would say so. Türkiye'deki AVM'ler gibi o kadar güzel, o kadar büyük. Bütün dükkanlar burada. Wellington gibi 100 tane dükkanı, 100 tane adrese gitmen gerekmiyor. Hepsi burada. Bütün markalar, New Zelanda, Avrupa, hepsi burada. It reminds me of Singapore. You see, you've got all the brands in one area. They're probably made in Christchurch. Look at that quality. You won't get this in Wellington. Look at those prices. Amazing. That is really very, very lovely. Yeah? Oh, I've still got one. First floor. Ugg Express. Got Gorman. Isn't that wonderful? Wow. It's just such a refreshing atmosphere. Really good. And it's real suede. Yeah, not bad. Beautiful quality. You know, this in Wellington, you'll probably find it for like $250, if not $280. Very good. You know, in Wellington, you have to drive to 5 corners of the city just to go to one shop because it's scattered all over the city. But here, they all here. All of them are in one area. It just feels like I'm in Sydney all over again. It's got that beautiful atmosphere. Shops that actually closed business in Wellington, a lot of shops that have closed down, and now I'm seeing these names and these shops here in Christchurch. They've actually opened their branches here, and I think I know this place, New Zealand Natural. I saw this, I think it's a Tahitian company, dare I say it. It might, I think they have a place in Auckland as well, originally in Auckland. They've even got Kmart, the entire Kmart in the shopping centre, and then they've got the entire Pack and Save, and they have the entire Farmers just on that corner over there. So you don't need to go to 10 corners around the city, you know, wasting your entire day trying to get one thing from one store and another thing from another store. It's just so cleverly designed because you've got space. Christchurch, it's a huge city, and they're building up very, very well. Developing faster than Wellington, that's for sure. Despite the very horrific earthquake that they experienced, I think they're doing very, very well.